Hi, this is Master Ken. I want to share with you what is closing balance year. It says that in Microsoft Doc, it says evaluates the expressions at the last date of the year in the current context. And it has the syntax like this. So what does that mean? So in my case study, it means like this. Well, suppose that we have the R bakery shop, and your your CEO wants to know what is the last date quantity sold. For any reason, they want to know that. So 2022-20, what is the last date quantity sold for red beans alone? Well, you go to the order table and then you do the same. Control Shift L. Let's go over here and you choose 20. Well, maybe it's here. And you go to the very last date. Now notice how many clicks you have to get this. Now that is the last date of the year, and then the red beans. Okay, so the quantity sold will be 4182. So that is what it means, a closing balance, and also on the filter as well. So this is the syntax. Okay, and it has the date expression, the date, and the filter. So let's come over here. Let's just take one of this here. New, we create a new measure, and I just call it year balance, year end balance, and I just type in closing balance year, and then I have the sum. It's an expression, any measure will do, and I'll just call it the order quantity sold, comma. Now I come to the date, and that is the date, and comma, and I call the filters functions, and I just call it the orders, and the orders, the product is equal to red bean, and enter. Alright, so now I go here and I choose a table. And where's my year end? Oh, there you are. And then the is 2022, so you can see that this is really the bin itself, right? And I just got it product. Year end balance of red beans is 4182, and 2021 is 119. So let's look at over here. So see that it's 4182. It's true, and then now here, come over here, we just choose uncheck everything. One one nine six two eight, and let's look at here, 119628, and that is exactly what it means to have a closing balance here with the expressions and the date and the filter. I hope this is clearly explained to you what it means closing balance here. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. God bless Asia. I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.